Here are some affordable fall decor DIYs you could try for your home. Let's start with candle holders. Simply glue Jenga blocks together to create candle holders. You can customize by painting them with your favorite fall color. And to enhance it, you could add gold foil to create a very unique piece. Another idea is coral wall art. This project is great for short walls. Try spray painting the faux coral in your favorite fall color and then add it to a frame. The next project is leaf wall art. When you think of fall, we think of leaves, so why not try painting a couple of leaves and framing them on the wall? If you're loving these ideas, hit the like button and share some of your ideas in the comment section below. The next idea is a planter. Try building a planter with pine wood. To add texture, add plaster of Paris. I found that using my hands was the best way to quickly apply it. It's important to work quickly because it dries fast. Next, paint it a color that matches your color scheme. and then add faux grass inside for a custom look. The next project is the moss bowl. This project is great if you need a centerpiece for your coffee table or dining table. Using a large bowl, add in Spanish moss. Next, add sheet moss on top. To add height variation, add in moss pebbles. These 5 ideas will certainly add some beautiful fall elements in your home. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, try watching these.